News, Butte County Public Health issued a local quarantine and isolation order to try to stop the spread of COVID-19. Action News Now reporter Christian Lopez shows us what this could mean for you.
Butte County's new mandate now gives business owners like David Halimi here at Diamond W Western Wear more power to enforce isolation and quarantine if their employees are impacted.
I think, the people need to make their own choices as what works for them.
That was Halimi's reaction to Butte County Public Health now saying isolation and quarantine are required. This goes beyond the state's guidance that only recommends it. The isolation mandate applies to everyone, regardless of vaccination status. The quarantine mandate is specifically for the unvaccinated.
This requirement has been in place from the very beginning of the pandemic. It's just not been an order from the health officer. And so it really should not change much at all. It just makes it a actual documented requirement.
A requirement Halimi says may go too far.
I tend to side on the side of educating people and letting them make their own decision. I think everyone has their own risk. Anytime we do something, there is cost and benefit, and I think it has to do with the individual to make that choice.
Butte County Public Health says the order applies to those with a positive COVID test or those with symptoms after being exposed to someone with coronavirus.
It's should be looked at as a positive impact because this is going to help them keep people that are infected home, people that are exposed home, and that means less transmission within their business or their school, keeping everything open.
Butte County Public Health officials say people who are fully vaccinated don't have to comply with the quarantine mandate if they're not showing signs or symptoms, but it is recommended that they get tested 3 to 5 days after exposure and wear a face covering in public indoor settings for 14 days after exposure. Reporting in Chico, Christian Lopez, Action News Now coverage you can count on.
We have all the details of this new order on our website, actionnewsnow.com. Just click on this story.